Nate in your state. Boston cream pie. A food that's not even a pie. It's a cake. A yellow cake that's filled with custard or cream and topped with chocolate glaze. Created by the French chef Augustin Francois Anazin in the 1800s, this cake is the official dessert of Massachusetts. And this Nate traveled to taste a piece of that history. I'm by the Bayback Station, and I'm going to go to Flowers across the street. So let's go try a Boston cream pie. So Flowers actually sold out on Boston cream pie. I have to go elsewhere. Come on, though. Nate is in your state. You gotta have something ready for me. Now, I just got off at Haymaker Station because the first location I went to, they were sold out. So I am on my way to Modern Pastry. Let's see what it's all about. Okay guys, I'm about to change the name of this Boston cream whatever, because this is the second place that doesn't have the cream pies, but they got some nice smelling cupcakes. It smells good. Tastes good too. So I'm on my way to the next location. They'll have the cream pie. Oh, this is actually good. Alright, just remind me. The title of this is going to be Boston cream anything, because I am having a hard time finding the Boston cream pies. These cupcakes are plus. So I actually found a spot that sells a Boston cream pie. It's another Flower. It's a little out of the ways from, you know, downtown Boston, and it's just over the bridge. And I didn't know this. See, this is how silly I am. The Boston cream is actually a cake. The Boston cream pie is actually a cake. This is what it looks like. The goodiness. And it's a little pricey too. In my standard, in terms of pastry, it was a little pricey. So let me just do a taste. You know what? I'm not even going to use a spoon. Let me just go straight into it. Boston cream pie. It's nice. I like it. Side note, I was just walking across this bridge before I even see the sign, and I was like, yo, this reminds me about a funny event in history, like a familiar event in history. Yo, right there, Boston Tea Party Museum, in my opinion, the funniest thing to ever happen to the British. Yo, because we know they love their tea. And if you remember, I think what is colonists was throwing over the teas over the pier. I think it's probably this pier right here. This shipyard. But they was throwing it over here. And that was funny. It was like, oh, they love their tea. And this is how they you know, got together and pushed their demands. Something like that, right? I want to give a big shout out to Mechanical Sweets, FFM Chef Bob, and Jumanji for being awesome people by contributing to today's episode. Make sure you have a full stomach before looking at all the tasty foods on their Instagram. Don't say I didn't warn you. I also want to give a big shout out to my boy, Marlon Knight, for his contribution to Nate in Your State. He's been busy working on his music, but was still an excellent host while I was in Boston. Thank you so much for watching today's episode 9, Boston Cream Anything. What I want you to do now is click on the subscribe Nate in Your State button, and then click on the bell thingy right after you subscribe. I also want you to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Once again, this is Nate from Nate in Your State. Thank you so much for watching. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.